Today, we're building a professional encryption tool in Python that makes your data unreadable to hackers. What's up everyone? Welcome back to ProgrammingLearn. Today, we're building a command line encryption and decryption tool using Python's cryptography library. Here's what it does. Generate a secure key, encrypt any text into gibberish, and decrypt it back instantly. First, install the cryptography package. That's the only dependency we need for this entire project. The Fernet module inside this package handles security encryption for us. Create a new file called encrypttool.py. We only need one import, Fernet. This class handles encryption, decryption, and key generation automatically. This function creates a secure encryption key. Think of this key like a master password. Anyone with this password can decrypt your message. We save it into a file called secret.key, so we can reuse it later. Before encryption or decryption anything, we need to load our secret key. I also added error handling here. So if the key file doesn't exist, the program won't crash. Now for encryption function, we create a Fernet object using our secret key. Then encrypt the message. The encode method converts normal text into bytes because encryption works with bytes data. Decryption is basically the reverse process. Same key, same Fernet object. We decrypt the encrypted bytes, then decode them back into readable text. If the wrong key is used, decryption fails completely. Now we're connecting everything together into one clean application. This while loop keeps the program running until the user chooses exit. Option 1 generates a new encryption key. Option 2 encrypts any message using that key. Option 3 decrypts encrypted text back into readable text. I also added a try except block so invalid encrypted message don't crash the program. And finally, this line starts the main function automatically when the script runs. This is the part that makes the project feel like a real command line application. Let's test everything one more time. Generate a key, encrypt the message, this is secret, and now decrypt it back. Fully working encryption and decryption in Python. Now it's your turn. You can upgrade this project with file encryption, password protection, or even secured messaging. Like the video if you learned something new. Comment below what project should we build next. Password manager, file encryption, or secure chat app. Subscribe for part 2. We're adding file encryption next. Full code is in the description. Happy coding!